Okay, so my for my presentation topic, I picked asthma. One because it's very interesting to me. Because I for one have asthma. I'm a student with asthma, and I've had it my entire life. And a lot of people ask me, why can't you just breathe like everybody else? And I just tell them it's a lot more complicated than that. And so whenever I was presented the opportunity to, give a presentation on this, I really took it and ran. So I'm gonna give it my best shot. So my name's Carson Garner. I'm in uh, I'm in this class, SPED 2213, in the spring of 2021. I got my handy dandy inhaler here. This is the one that I use the most. It's my albuterol sulfate inhaler. It's just a fast acting one. It's the emergency one. It's the one that if I start to have a little attack going, I can get a couple puffs of that and it'll open my lungs up and I'll feel a lot better. Okay, so I have a little video here to show, and it's a good introduction to asthma. It's the Heart and Health Institution. I think it's very informational. I think it's a very good video. Here we go. All right, so let's get back to the presentation here. Let me move this over. Okay, so like the video said, the asthma can't be cured, only controlled, um, which kind of sucks. But I think the modern medicine that they have today, I mean, I live a normal life despite suffering from asthma. I hate to say suffering because a minor inconvenience. I played basketball in high school. I play golf now. I'm on the golf team here at UAM. Very active. I get up and move around a lot, and I use it very, very rarely. Very rarely I have to use my inhaler, but whenever I do use it, I have multiple albuterol inhalers, um, and if I don't have my inhaler, it's not good. But I don't think I've ever been in a situation to where I haven't had to use one. So characteristics of asthma: short, rapid breaths that all that I can manage. Whenever I'm having an asthma attack, my chest feels really tight. Feels like somebody's stepping on it, even though I'm standing up and walking around. I can't really sleep because of my wheezing or coughing. If you can't sleep, you really can't get oxygen to different parts of your body, and it's really hard for your mind to turn off and go to sleep. Uh, so some causes of asthma. So I'm allergic to almost everything, and so whenever I'm around something I'm allergic to, like dogs or cats or pollen or something like that, it really flares it up. Um, Pet dander, pollens and molds. Um, if somebody catches a cold or has catches pneumonia, suffers from pneumonia, they can develop certain symptoms of asthma or a moderate to severe form of asthma. Cold air, if you're exercising outside, cold air can damage your lungs. Um, and exercise, whenever you do have asthma, it'll flare it up a little bit if you're not careful. Um, so, how asthma can affect students? Students of asthma can be affected negatively uh, because whenever you're younger in grade school, everybody's on a certain sport. They all want to be on a team, and during recess, that's where you hang out with your friends. Well, with a child with asthma, if it's severe asthma where they can't really exercise and go out and play football or basketball with their friends, that's going to affect their social life in a negative way. Um, yeah, I was lucky enough to not have this happen to me, but yeah, I always had to have my inhaler carrying around somewhere. No, it's over. Did Ginger do? Tell me he was in the study room. He keeps walking around back and forth, but he never came in here. No. All right. Yeah, man. So like the video said, there's no treatment for asthma, but there are very very good ways to control it. So there are two types of inhalers. There's long-term corticosteroids, which I only have one of these. I've actually never used it. One because it's more intense than my albuterol inhaler. Whenever I breathe it in, it kind of attacks the lungs and kind of opens them up forcefully, and I really it's just very uncomfortable for a long time after I use it. So I stick with the albuterol, which is more of an emergency, and it keeps it short term. It keeps it under control, but it works 99% of the time. So here are my references. I use the video in the first link. I got the asthma triggers in the second, and the causes and the treatment and all that is the third link. So thank you.